Okay, so we're setting up a Zoeller M53 box that comes in, warranties inside. Start by, we've got an 1.5 inch discharge. We want to use an 1.5 inch threaded male adapter. It screws right into place. We're just going to put it in here hand tight so we can show you how to set it up, and then we're going to glue it all together. Next, we cut a piece of 1.5 inch PVC. We want to get it just above that riser, okay? Because we want to put a check valve on here. And a check valve only allows water to flow one way. This one's real nice. It's got a nice little arrow. Can you see that arrow? The arrow tells me that the flow of water is this direction. It has rubber no-hubs with stainless steel clamps around the sides of it. These are super strong. These stainless steel clamps hold it in place. So we're going to go ahead and put our no-hub on with our check valve. It just sets in place. Then we're going to tighten these up, these bands, which hold that in place. Once the pump's installed, we'll put a riser on it to bring it up and out of the pit. We're going to put a 90 on it, and our discharge line will come out here to the curb. Lastly, Zoeller recommends that we drill a tiny little 3/16 inch hole between the discharge of the pump and the check valve, just to prevent any airlock, especially when you drill holes in the bottom of your pit, because it can suck air for a few minutes, before the water actually fills up. So we're going to put a little hole. It doesn't matter where. Just this tiny little hole. This will relieve the pressure between the pump and the check valve. Now we're ready to install. And this is how it looks when you set it in the sump pit. Pump sits flush on the bottom. We've got our first riser coming up to the check valve. Arrow points up. Second riser comes up, 90, all 1.5 inch, and then this is going to send it out to the street. At the street, we'll put the pop-up emitter right at the curb, and that will let the water come out. Okay, so we've got our sump pump installed, and you can see what we've done. Because we're below grade, we're underground here. There's going to be a lid. This is actually underground. We've come up, made a 90. We drill a 2-inch hole through the pit. Connection here, 1.5 inch. It goes all the way out to the street, to the pop-up. Okay, so we've got our discharge connected here. This is a pop-up emitter. 1.5 inch. We just, using a coupling here, but we're enlarging, but this is a reducer. Enlarging to 3 inch. Water will come up and pop out right here. This line travels over to the sump pit. Sump pump lifts it up, pumps it out. As the water comes up, it'll just come out right through here. Let's go ahead and cover this up. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.